Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a very special video because today we are opening the Kikki.K Advent Calendar for 2020. Now in the past, they have actually released a bigger Advent Calendar with all sorts of stationery, but this year they only have the eraser Advent Calendar, and I thought I'd go ahead and get it. And I'll link the product down below where you can purchase it direct off of Kikki.K.com. Now, if you are new to Advent calendars, so originally Advent calendar is a very special type of calendar used to count the days of Advent in anticipation of Christmas. So it's sort of like a countdown, and every day you get to get a little present until Christmas Day. And it should have 25 boxes. So let's go ahead and open this up, and I'll walk you through what we got. So I was at Kikki.K yesterday. Specifically, I went there to get their Advent calendar because it would have been my first year. And I was a little disappointed that they didn't have the big Advent calendars, but I thought I'd go ahead and get a razor Advent calendar. Now this is marketed for children, really. I feel like this is going to be great for kids. I've seen the inside of this already because they had it in display at my local Kikki.K, but maybe you're curious if you'd like to get this for yourself or for someone else. So it is a little house. It will open like a book. It has a ribbon right here where you can open it up. Oops, there we go. And as I mentioned, it will open like a book. But here we have a very beautiful front of a little house, and it has holographic windows, the roof, and some of the baubles here. So let's open up the calendar. And we have these boxes. I was right, this is 25 days. Let's see what we got. And door number or box number 1. Ooh. So this is what the box looks like. You can actually reuse this if you'd like. It also has these really cute images. Oh, how cute is that? It's on 2 sides of the box, and then one of the boxes Kikki.K, and I think a lot of the boxes look like this. So once again, this is just the eraser Advent calendar, and all of the things here are erasers. And for door number 1, we got a little cupcake. It's nicely sealed, and everything is in plastic, which is you know, we could have done without the plastic. Yeah, let's see if it has a scent. Very good mold. Except we have a little bit there. Can you take it apart? Yes, you can. You can actually take it apart. It doesn't smell like anything except from a little bit of Play-Doh smell, like a clay smell. So that's cute. I'm gonna return it to my... Oh, you got something else inside. There's a little card. It says, describe 3 things you're grateful for. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put that back into the box. Maybe use this as journaling prompts once December starts. That's gonna be a really cute journal then. Right, so next is door number 2. I'm guessing this is door number 2. So, yes. Looks like this, just a little present. And we got a little ducky. This one is heavier, so it's more solid than the cupcake one. And then inside, the journaling prompt is, what's your favorite Christmas tradition? Mine is the eating. The eating part is the bestest part. Delicious. Okay, number 3 is this cute bear. And inside we have, this is my favorite one so far. It's a little panda. Panda didn't have no eyeballs. It has a little mouth though. That's cute. Can you take it apart? Yes, you can. Oh no. Okay, now we'll put you back together. And then inside we have, describe a happy moment from this week. 4. Get this out of the way, and then let's get our so it's a little cherry It's so cute. This is made like the duck. It's super solid. And then the card says, who would you like to thank? And there's a little cat in his sweater. Ah, by the way, that's like my clamp. I'm gonna go ahead and move this camera a little bit. Okay, back to unboxing. So we have a little ginger dude. Door number 5 or box number 5. So this is our card. We'll take a look at that later. And then I'm gonna go ahead and uncello this. And we have a little hot dog. Yes. It's very detailed too. That's cute. Very good mold. Ooh, it has a detail at the bottom. That's nice. And then it says, what are you proud of? And then 6. So this is a little tree cookie. And it is a little turtle, a little blue turtle with beady eyes. How cute! Look at the underside of that turtle. Look at how detailed this is. I'm very impressed. It's not remint quality, but you know. And you can take apart the turtle. Ta-da! Look at the turtle face. Alright, and let's see our card. Our card says, how did you help someone today? And there's a little dachshund sausage dog at the corner. Door number 7, and it has a little tree. And we have a questionable cow. Or this prompt says, give someone a hug. Number 8, and we have a little pudding. And we have a little fruit. Okay, nice. You got textured surface around the fruit. We have a little leaf. I think you can take the leaf off. Yes, you can. What do you love about your family? They feed me. Okay, number 9. Ooh, I like this box. Actually, if you'd like, you can also just put in your own stuff in here with the erasers. I like this one. It's a little carrot. The fruit has better surface details than this one, but still super cute. Leave a happy note somewhere for someone to find. Number 10, a sausage dog. This is my favorite so far. It's a little bear! Okay, you can take her apart, but I'm not gonna do that. That might be traumatic for some of us. What made you smile today? This bear definitely did. 11. 11 is cute. Not as detailed as the others. Looks like a little cup as well. Help someone out by doing a chore for them. Door number 12. So sorry for the ambient noise, unnecessary ambient noise that you can hear. So it's a little giraffe. And then the card says, what do you love about where you live? Okay, number 13. We have a little Christmas tree, and this fell off of it. Aw, how cute is this? It says, send a handwritten card to someone you love. Door number or box number 14. It's a little cat playing with some Christmas decors, I think. And we have, just like the box, a little lucky cat. So cute. She's feeling very solid. Ooh, you can move her head. Da-da, da-da-da. I wish you could move her arm because that's the point of a lucky cat. And then the card says, donate your toys to a children's hospital charity initiative. 15. Next we have something very Australian. It is a kangaroo. A roo mama and a roo baby in her pouch. How cute is that? Our card says, give someone a compliment. Number 16. It's a little penguin. I think we'll get a penguin inside of this box. And I was right. It is a penguin. Now I feel like these are just excess, but she's solid. And our card says, describe a wonderful moment from this year. Next, 17. There's a little bear. Do we get a second bear? Next, we have a seal. I think that's what this is. Strange color. No eyes. And our card says, bake some Christmas treats and give to others. By the way, this is just like paper, like cut up paper. 18. We have a little ice cream. She's a little dirty, but that's okay. With a little strawberry on top. And then our card says, how did someone help you today? That was cute. Next, 19. We have a little corn. I think you can take off the leaf and it's an actual full corn. Then you can put her back. And then our card says, donate food or a gift to families in need. 20. Little cat in a sweater. Are we getting another cat? Because I could always do another cat. This one is cute. It's a snowman. Let's just twist his head around. Oh, how cute. That's too cute. And then this is what the card says. Tell someone you love them. I love you, boo-boo.
I love you too.
21. It's a little scenery. Another food eraser. This is a little slice of pie. This one has very good details. It says, the card says, smile at people you see today. Okay. 22. And we have our Santa. She would go with the snowman, the hat. Santa's feet is funny. I love it. And our card says, what makes you happy? 23. 3 more boxes. And we have a little watermelon. This has texture here, but that's the only texture. No seeds. And then it says, what have you learned this year? 24, Christmas Eve. To go with our Santa, we have reindeer. Yellow reindeer. Okay, that's okay. Our card says, who are you glad to have met? And Christmas Day, our very last day. It has a little artwork here of a, what's this called? Sock. And we have, strangely enough, a little popsicle. Well, in Australia, summer is, or Christmas is in the summer, so might be why this is the last day. I'm unsure if you could get this internationally, but Kikki.K Australia shops already have these. And our card says, what does Christmas mean to you? Very good question. Alright, so those are all of the boxes in our advent calendar. There's a lot of boxes with varying degrees of niceness of erasers. I think this is pretty good enough. Pretty good enough. Do you have anything here? Nope. Just to hold all the boxes together. Alright, so let me know what you guys think, if this is worth $30. And that's it for us today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!